So as I was just saying now, students, is that when we're adding mixed numbers, we can do that one of two ways. So the first way is to find or to convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. Then you would add them in the usual way by finding the LCM if the denominators are different. And you just would use that particular method. Now, if you don't want to go that route, you could easily go the route of adding the whole number parts separately and adding the fractional part separately. Then when you add both sections, then you can merge them together. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
All right, just to check how well you understand the rule 5, I'm going to ask you to try the same question that you did when we were looking at rule 4. So 3 3/4 plus 2 7/12. Use this method to solve it and see what you get. When you're finished, you raise your hand so that I can see who is already finished. All right, so I saw.
Sir,
yes.
it's the same math you gave us earlier, you know.
I know. So I'm just saying that you should try it this way and see what the answer is.
3 and 3/4 and 2 and 7/12.
So did you work it this way, Ms. Wasom? Did you add the whole number parts and then the fractional parts?
Looking at it to say that it was the same one, I didn't realize that you were telling us to do that.
Yeah, man, it's the same one I'm giving you to do it. I just want you to verify that your answer should be the same. Miss Tavia? Miss Tavia? You want to walk us through this one? Or should I, let me ask Miss Wasom. Miss Wasom, you want to walk us through it? You can lower your hand, Miss Tavia.
Okay, sir.
All right, go ahead, Miss Wasom. Tell us what to do.
So first, we would group the whole numbers, sir. So that's 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2. Then we'll have the fraction 3/4 plus 7/12.
All right, what we have now?
Which an LCM of oh yeah, you don't want the LCM, sir.
You could just go ahead and add the whole number.
All right, for the whole number you add, you get 5.
All right, now we could put the LCM.
Which would be 12. All right, sir. We say that 4 into 12 goes 3 times. So 3 times 3 is 9.
You get 9. Continue.
Okay, sir. 12 into itself is 1 time. So 1 times 7 is 7.
Okay.
So then we'd add 9 plus 7 give us 16. Plus 16/12, yes. And that can be simplified further. So 12 into 16 would give us 1. Five plus 1, yes, and 4/12. And 4/12 simplified further would give us 1/3.
What else now?
That would be 5 plus 1, 6, and 1/3, sir.
All right. Okay. Is everybody clear on this one? Raise your hand. Okay. Only Mr. McLeod, well, McLeod. All right, Mr. Shamar. Miss Green, are you okay with this one?
Yes, sir. I have it, sir.
Okay, you have it. Anybody else?
Sir, where you have the 5 plus 1 over 4/12, where that one comes from?
Where I have 5 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 is 4/12. Now it comes from 16/12. So this is an improper fraction. So you convert it to a mixed number. So how many times 12 can come out of 16? You get what?
One remaining 4.
So you get 1 and remaining 4. So you put back the 4 over the 12 as 4 over 12 give the fractional part. So now the 4 over 12 can be simplified to 1/3 if you cancel it down. You see that?
Yes, sir, I got it now.
Right. So now you add the whole number of parts and you get 6 and 1/3. Any other question? Nobody else? Is that clear to everybody? Raise your hand if it is clear to you guys. Okay then. Moving on. All right. So we have just about 5 minutes remaining. So let us look at multiplication and division. Now, rules for multiplication of fraction is pretty simple and straightforward. All we need to do when we're multiplying 2 or more fractions together, we simply multiply the numerators together, and also we multiply the denominators together. Now, there are times when we are able to cancel, so it is often recommended that you cancel first, then multiply. All right, so here we have 2 over 3 times 5 over 7. Multiply the numerators, so it's 2 times 5. Then you multiply the denominators, 3 times 7. So this will give you 10 over 21. So multiplying fraction is pretty much straightforward. Just remember that you multiply the numerators together as well as you multiply the denominators together. All right, looking at division of fractions. Now to divide fractions, the rule states that we invert the divisor, change the division sign to multiplication, and multiply in the usual way. Here we have 2 over 3 divided by 8 over 9. Now we say that we need to do what? Invert the divisor and change division sign to multiplication. Now, which of these would be the divisor, student? Which of these? The screen, which of these is the divisor? Are you there, Miss Green?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, which is the divisor?
The 9, sir.
Which one?
The 9
It
or
would
the
be
8.
9 over 8, right?
Yes, sir.
And so if you are to let me just move it. If you are to divide, you invert the divisor. Anybody know what it means to invert the divisor?
Sir, you flip.
All right,
The fraction.
flip the divisor upside it down. So you put the 9 above and the 8 below. All right, so you have 2 over 3. Then you flip the 8 over 9, and then you change the division sign to multiplication. So you change division sign to multiplication, then you get your 9 over 8 And once you have done that, you realize now that you're really going to multiply the two fractions together, but wherever possible, you cancel. Now, when you're canceling, students, you're canceling you are canceling numbers below with numbers above, right? So you can cancel this 3 with this 9, because 3 can go into itself 1 time and 3 into 9 go 3 times, right? Now for the 8 and the 2, 2 can go into itself 1 time, 2 into 8 goes 4 times. Now what we have remaining in the numerators, we multiply them. So we have 1 times 3, we get back 3. And what we have remaining in the denominator, we multiply those together too. So we have 1 times 4, give you 4. So our answer is just 3/4. Is that clear? Are the rules for multiplication and division clear to you guys? Raise your hand if the rules are clear.
You use the 3 and 28.
Ask that
When you're converting.
Ask the question again, Ms. Green. Ms. Green, go ahead. All right, you're breaking up, Ms. Green. I think what you're asking about the canceling. So we're saying that when you're canceling, you can cancel numbers below with numbers above. In other words, you can cancel a numerator with a denominator. Now, the numerator of one fraction can cancel with the denominator of another fraction, and vice versa. So it doesn't matter which denominator you're canceling with, as long as you're canceling a numerator with a denominator. Is that clear to everybody? Raise your hand.
Okay, so sorry, it's not normally done only diagonally, no?
No, not only diagonally. If
Okay.
it's a case where, let's say that you have 6/12 times all of it, you would be able to cancel 6 into itself and 6 into 12. So you can cancel within just one fraction, right?
Okay, sir, okay.
So it's not just diagonal, but any numerator with any denominator. That clear to everybody now? Does that clarify your question, Ms. Green?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, guys. So I'm going to call it a day here, and we're going to stop here. Now, if you go to the website and if you go to the December notes, and then now if you go to December notes and open that page, you should see also where you have worksheets, or and if you check the worksheet, you should see some questions in relation to fraction. So you can try those for the next class. Is that clear to everyone? Guys? Everybody hear what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Right, so go to the website, click on the September to December notes, and find the lecture on fraction, and then look across to find the worksheet, and then click on the worksheet and try at least attempt doing all the questions from the worksheet. And so next class when we meet, we can have a discussion on those. All right, guys. So I will stop sharing now.